Hello and welcome to another update video about, in this case, Dogecoin. I actually haven't covered Dogecoin on this channel yet. I do cover it because, first of all, it's breaking out today. It's doing the same breakout that many other cryptos have done and that we've talked about on this channel. Also, oftentimes before these breakouts happened, and now it's obviously Dogecoin's turn. I didn't really include it in my analysis before, because it's really a meme coin, but there is a big community behind it, and to be honest, I hold some Doge as well, to be honest, and just for fun, not as a serious investment, and it's only a small amount anyway. But for days like these, I hold them because these meme coins, or something like Shiba Inu or Dogecoin, they can go very quickly sometimes, and they can surprise us all. But even though this I could have seen this coming. I didn't really look at the chart in the last few days anyway. Didn't really look at the Dogecoin chart at all, to be honest. And the reason I say you could have seen it coming is basically because it's doing the same pattern as all the other cryptos have done that have broken out already. This inverse head and shoulders. And yeah, basically what it's doing, it is currently finding resistance. So one of my channel members also asked me to take a look at that, and that's actually the other reason why I'm taking a look at it today. So yeah, the question is obviously, how can it go higher? How far can it go? So obviously left shoulder, head, right shoulder, inverse head and shoulder. It isn't really breaking out yet. Yes, we've seen a big pump, but actually this is the key level where we're at now, the 26-cent level. That is this, we had resistance here before in the beginning of September, resistance here, and here, and now again. And it seems like we have difficulties to get through, and that's just what I wanted to say. I think we will expect some resistance here, some Q resistance. And the reason I say that as well, if we look at the Ethereum chart, and you can see that Ethereum did something very similar. I mean, Ethereum actually managed to get through this resistance straight away. So some cryptos like Ethereum managed to get through it. So here on the Ethereum chart, you could say that was the 3,670 level. Ethereum managed to get through. There was some resistance here on the 14th of October. And if we zoom in, you can see it, that this is, by the way, the 4-hour chart. Directly at this level, we had some resistance. Yeah, so that is just because this was basically the neckline of that formation. And with Dogecoin, we are at this neckline as well. So that's where we are at the moment. If we can get through, that's fine. I think then we can even address higher levels actually up to very quickly. I think we could actually go up to the 31-cent level. Now, I think that would be quite a push, because at the moment I think we are going to see some resistance going forward as well. The reason I say that as well, if we look on the shorter term time frames here, even on the 4-hour chart, we are now in the overbought range. I think there will be some resistance. We need that RSI to come down. And also here, let's say on the this is giving us a long signal, obviously, but that is because the breakout took place, so a bit late on that. Yeah, we had a bullish crossover actually here on the MACD. To be honest, that already started on the 13th of October in this uptrend, and we've seen it on various other cryptocurrencies as well, leading us to that breakout, similar to VeChain as well. And here with Dogecoin, obviously, we've seen a big pump. What we've seen with Ethereum as well, because Ethereum, when it broke out of that formation, we've seen something like a 10% pump as well. And so it's not something out of the norm here with Dogecoin. It's not even behaving unusual compared to Ethereum, because Ethereum did, when it broke out here, we had something very similar. It broke out from here. This is easily something like 10%. It was like 8.5% to that neckline, or 7.5 to 8% to that neckline. And yeah, then we actually made it 17% or 16.5% in a few days. So Dogecoin is just doing the same thing, and it's basically it all falls with that resistance level here. If you can see us breaking that 26-cent level, I think, and possibly do a retest, because some cryptos, like for example, what's the other one? Polkadot did the same thing. They broke out. Polkadot did break out, and it came down again on this level. So, but it's finding support here. So that's crucial. If we can't break through, and then we will probably fall back. And that is what XRP did. XRP tried to break out as well, and it fell back down. Yeah, and it will be quite a sharp drop then, down to basically where we started. Basically somewhere, yeah, we might fall down to somewhere in this range here. Yeah, it's around 24 cents again, 24 cents. That's what XRP did. Again, I can't tell you what's going to happen, because some cryptos actually, they all tried. Yeah, they all tried. Some managed to get through here, like, as I said, Polkadot. And I think Phantom did the same thing. It managed to get through as well, found support. But some didn't, like XRP. So it all comes and falls with that level. So watch that level today, 26 cents. That is basically holding us back at the moment. If you see us going above 26 cents, I think we could get fairly quickly to much higher levels. So I'm talking here about something, I mean, you have a bit of a zone starting here at 30 cents, certainly till 30 cents. So if we just take the height of that head, yeah, and we add it to the top, then we can get an idea of add it to the neckline here basically as well. You know, that would take us basically, yeah, a little bit higher even to like 32 cents. But I think this will be the first major resistance level that we are going to look at here. And if we take the Fibs, the Fibonacci levels from that major low here to the previous high, we can see where we might be heading as well. And that very much aligns the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level, which is a crucial one, which is up here at 32 cents. So that is very well aligned. So we've got the confluence of factors here. You've got a previous resistance. You've got the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level, which is just a normal level to really go to in after breakout, you know. So that is certainly in reach. And we also have that basically technical target level of the inverse head and shoulder. So could take us to that level, but it's just crucial that we break the 26 cent level. If you see that, I think we could see some nice push to the upside. At the moment, I expect some further resistance at the moment, just because we are now massively overbought on the shorter term time frames. You can see that here we managed to get all the way above 80 actually on the RSI, on the hourly. Now that is very high. So yeah, that is why we're retracing now at the moment and try to bring that down again. So, and that's where we are at the moment. Just need to wait if we can actually break through, or if we are going to find some more resistance here. So just to give you an idea of where we are and why we are currently being held back. And then yeah, just watch it and let me know if you want to see more about Dogecoin. If you want me to update you regularly on Dogecoin, yeah, put it in the comments please. At the moment we just need to see if that breakout is real, yeah, and if we can see higher prices. I think this is crucial, you know. If we break through that level, that can continue the uptrend. And then, however, we won't get out of that corrective pattern in which we currently are until we manage to break above that 31 cent level. Yeah, we need to get that done. All right, so hopefully you liked the video. If you did, please smash the like button and hit the subscribe button, and yeah, let me know in the comments if you want to see more Doge, or if you think it's a stupid idea to cover it. All right, thank you, bye bye.